Let's stay at the Polynesian. We are staying at the new island tower of the Polynesian Resort for the weekend, and we are going to see how fun this one is. Is it going to be our new favorite resort? Because I will let you know, this is day number 2 of our stay. I just did not get a chance to record last night because it was so dark. I wanted to make sure it was light outside, but I will let you know it's already exceeded our expectations of this resort just because of the view. The view is amazing. I'm going to show you the view in a minute, but this place is amazing. There goes the monorail right above us. How fun is that? But we are staying at this resort. We're actually staying in 2 different type rooms. We're staying in a deluxe studio theme park view, and we're staying in a 1-bedroom theme park view. So let's go check out the inside of the resort and see how it is. This lobby is beautiful, by the way. All the different touches that they have, all the animals up there. The really, really cool lighting fixture up there. And then these pillar things are really, really cool. Like, it has like really cool wood texture to it. So like, it's really nice. Really nice. And then they have this really cool, huge seating area out here. So they do not have a real check-in area like they do at the regular Polynesian Resort. This is more of a self-check-in type place. They actually have a separate entrance for this as well, so you don't go into the main entrance of the Polynesian. You actually come down the road a little bit further, and then you'll see the island tower sign, and you pull in there, scan your magic band, and then come on in. And then when you come into the resort, they'll have some people standing out here with tablets for you to do your magic band to the elevator and stuff like that, because you can't go up and down the elevator. Well, you can go up down the elevator, but you can't go up the elevator without your magic band. So that's a good thing to do. Do not forget your magic band, or you're not going to be able to get back up to your room, even if you just go out, outside for like the pool or to get a drink or anything like that. You need this to even get up to your room. This is the other area of the main lobby. And then they have this really cool picture up here. Like, it's really, really cool. Let's go take a closer look. Look at this picture. There's Tamatoa, all sorts of different things from the movie of Moana. And then there's hidden Mickeys or hidden Mickey and a hidden Minnie in this picture too. I'm going to show you the hidden Minnie right there. If you look close, you'll be able to see Minnie right there. And then the Mickey is right a little bit farther down. You're able to see Mickey right, let's see, right there. Here's Mickey. So this thing is very tall. It goes all the way up to like almost the 3rd floor. It's a very big mural. It's really cool too. It's like cool texture and stuff like that. It's really cool. I like this a lot. And then they have some nice seating area out here. So you can watch the fireworks over there. But they have a lot of seating area out here that you can do. And then they have hammocks and beach area that you can sit on to also see the fireworks, or just chill and relax and, take a load off, or, spend the day here instead of the parks. I will say this resort is very relaxing. Like, the music that they play and just the whole feel of it feels like you're in Hawaii. So it's really, really, really nice. They have hammocks that you can relax on and have an amazing view of the castle over there. Even in the gloominess of today, because it's supposed to rain today, but relaxing. And this is the restaurant that they have here, Lulu Bar and Grill. And they have these really cool tables right here. I think we're going to be eating there. We're trying to eat there tonight, but they have this water right here. But if you're sitting in this seat right there and you look this way, it's almost like it's a infinity pool. So you'll see the water, and then you'll see the water of the You'll see that water, and then it'll lead right into the water of the lake. So that's really, really cool. So these are the hours for the Lulu Bar and Grill. It is open for breakfast from 7 to 11. It is a restaurant. The restaurant hours are 11 to 10 p.m. So you can like order regular lunch and dinner food. And then the bar is open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So the bar is open about an hour after the actual restaurant's closed. So you'll be able to come in here and enjoy a drink while watching the nighttime stuff over at the Magic Kingdom, right over there. So this is the pool area of the thing. You can only get over and use this pool if you are a guest at the tower. You cannot go over to the Polynesian, which is literally right there, the regular Polynesian, and come over here and use the pool. You have to be a tower, island tower guest to be able to use this pool, which includes the thing I'm going to show you next. This right here, the play area for the kids, is really cool. They have Moana right there. And then they have fun little water things right here. They can go on. My kids loved playing here yesterday while it was a little bit warmer out. But yeah, they loved coming out here and playing in the water things as well as going in the pool over there. So, yeah. They also have a really nice hammock area over near the pool that you can relax in and sit right in front of the castle. And they have some seats over here too. It'd be a nice place to come and relax while you're watching the fireworks if you don't have a theme park view. Like our room is like right up there somewhere. So we have a really good view of the fireworks and the castle over there. Let's go take a look up there. So if you don't have theme park view like in these rooms over here, there's actually alcoves that you can go up and see the fireworks from up there and over there, and you can actually go and listen to the music and watch the fireworks from up there in a nice, really cool seating area. Let's see if we can find it. So as we're going up, there's a really cool picture and boat of Moana right here. This is really, really, really cool. I like that a lot. I wish I had that in my house. So like I was saying, in order to go up in this elevator, you actually need a magic band to tap. Then you can push where it is. So we're going up to 3. That's where they said it was. Let's go see if we can find it. So this one is called the Bamboo Forest Terrace. This is on floor number 3. So this is where I was talking about, where I was pointing to up here, where you can come and watch the fireworks or just relax and chill. There's like never anybody out here, but you can come out here and sit on these chairs and have a really good view of the fireworks right over there. Look at that view of the fireworks, the castle, and all this really cool area. This is really nice. This is really nice. If I didn't have a theme park view, you bet your butt I would be down here watching the fireworks from here, because this is a really nice view and it's shaded. Well, you don't have to worry about that, but it's covered in case it's like maybe sprinkling a little bit or anything like that. But you can see perfectly in this area watching the fireworks. So I'm gonna guess there's speakers in here, so I'm gonna guess they pump in the music for Happily Ever After as well. So you can just relax and chill, and even if you're not watching the fireworks, just come out here and chill and relax and look at the Seven Seas Lagoon and watch the boats go by, and it's really nice. I really, really, really like this resort. It is so relaxing. Like, really, I don't even feel the need to have to go into the parks because this is just such a nice resort. So you can even, go over to the actual Polynesian and use their pool and stuff like that. And their restaurants and like Captain Cook's and stuff. But this place is just so nice, and it's not too far. Like walking from here to get like breakfast, if you want to go to Captain Cook's for breakfast, which we have been, not that far away, like maybe a 2-minute walk, if that. Walking over there, I just ran and got my food, came back, brought it to the room, and we ate. It's so nice. It is so nice. I highly recommend coming to the Island Tower because it's so close to the Magic Kingdom. You can hop on either a boat. That's what we did yesterday. We hopped on a boat to the Magic Kingdom, or you can get on the monorail and go over there. You have to go to the Polynesian to get on the monorail. But it's, again, like I said, it's not too far of a walk. And then you can get to Epcot from here too. So you can get on that monorail, go over to the Transportation and Ticket Center and hop on the Epcot monorail and head over there. You don't even have to go into a bus or anything for these two parks. Very, very nice. Very nice. I think we're actually going to be going to Epcot today while they're switching over our rooms, because we're switching today from the studio room to the 1-bedroom today. So I'll show you that room as well, and that view. Hopefully that view is just as good as the view that we had at the studio, because the studio one was amazing. So let's see how the view is from the 1-bedroom and see how much bigger the balcony is, or if it's any bigger. If we get 2 balconies, who knows? We'll see. But we're going to head over to Epcot today to do the Festival of the Arts for the first time, because it just opened on Friday and today is Sunday. We're going to go over there. Hopefully it doesn't rain too bad, because it's very cloudy out today. It's supposed to rain today. It's only supposed to rain for a couple hours, I think, but then it's supposed to be cold, because it's supposed to be like in the 50s or 40s tomorrow. That's not fun. But again, this view is amazing. It makes up for it right here. That view. So that is it for now. From the Island Tower, from the Polynesian Resort. Like I said, I did a room tour for the Lux studio, and then we're going to do another room tour on a separate video for the 1-bedroom. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see those 2 videos if I haven't already posted them. I'm not sure which one I'm going to post first, but if you haven't seen those 2 videos, again, make sure you go watch them. I'll link them. If I post them before this one, I'll link them in the description below. If not, just subscribe to the channel and you'll be able to see when they come out. But we will see you guys later. Oh, also, make sure you watch the video for the Festival of the Arts as well, because we're going to be putting that out soon as well. So, again, we'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.